Sun is hot.
Sun is hot.
Cat is on the mat.
Cat is on the mat.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
The dog runs fast.
The dog runs fast.
She has a red ball.
She has a red ball.
The bird is in the sky.
The bird is in the sky.
He eats an apple.
He eats an apple.
The fish swims in the pond.
The fish swims in the pond.
We play in the park.
We play in the park.
The stars are bright.
The stars are bright.
I have a blue car.
I have a blue car.
The tree is very tall.
The tree is very tall.
He drinks milk.
He drinks milk.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby is sleeping.
I can jump high.
I can jump high.
The moon is round.
The moon is round.
She sings a song.
She sings a song.
The cow gives us milk.
The cow gives us milk.
I draw with crayons.
I draw with crayons.
The flowers are pink.
The flowers are pink.
The clock is on the wall.
The clock is on the wall.
The frog is green.
The frog is green.
The duck swims in the lake.
The duck swims in the lake.
The butterfly is colorful.
The butterfly is colorful.
The snow is white.
The snow is white.